Ready to ditch those basic fonts and seriously level up your CapCut videos? Let's dive into how to add custom fonts and make your projects truly stand out. First things first, let's open CapCut and start a new project. Tap on New Project and select a video clip or image from your gallery. This will be our canvas. Now that we have our video, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the text button. This will open up the text options. Next, tap on Add Text. A text box will appear on your screen. Type in your desired text and then tap on Style. This section houses all the font options. Scroll through the font options until you see a plus icon labeled Add Font. It is right next to the font import icon. Tap on the plus icon. This will open your device's file manager. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your custom font files, which are typically in TTF or OTF format. Select the font file you want to import. Once selected, the font will be imported into CapCut and will show up under the My Fonts section. Tap on the imported font to apply it to your text. Now, play around with the size, color, style, and position of your text to get the perfect look. You can even add different effects for extra flair. Customize until your heart's content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom font to your CapCut video. Now, export your video and share your stunning creation with the world.